Hi, welcome to Wendy Berry Arts. Today I'm painting a short-eared owl. Let's get started. First I created an outline of the owl on the rock with pencil. Then I put a few coats of gesso down. And then on top of the gesso I drew my owl features. I begin mixing and blocking in the colors for the base coat of the owl. I don't worry about any small details at this point. I just want to get the basic colors and shapes in. Short-eared owls are one of the few owls that hunt during the day, so you can see them during the day, unlike many other species of owls. Once I have the base coat down on the face, then I start to add just some rough details. I also start to add in some of the detail feathers around the nose and under the beak. I'll be glazing over these later. They have beautiful yellow eyes that are surrounded by black feathers that just really makes the color stand out. At this point, I just take a little bit of red and go all the way around the outside of the yellow of the eye. While that area of the eye dries, I just start going in and adding details. I mix up just a little bit of brown with the red for the top of the eye so it looks like it's in shadow. I mixed just a little bit of blue with some white for the shiny parts of the eye. I also add a little bit of a lighter yellow at the bottom of the eye. When I'm working on small pieces, I just mix my colors as I go. At this point, I've put in a lot of small details in white, so now I'm just going to make a glaze and start going over some of the different areas in the face. And then I can go over again with some small details, and that'll make those stand out a lot better. Now once all that glazing's dry, then I go in and start my details again. Just like I did for the face, I'm blocking in some base colors on the body. Now I'm using some glaze over the body area. I can put it down and then I'll wipe my brush and I can pull some of it back up. And once that dries, I start going in and adding my tiny feathers again. Now once I have a lot of those little detail feathers in, I make another glaze color and then just start hitting different areas with that. Now once he's all finished and dry, I'll add a couple coats of acrylic varnish for protection. I really enjoyed painting this beautiful owl. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you have any suggestions or questions, please just leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.